Hey guys, it's Linda from Old Ladies Hiking North. Good morning. It's a beautiful day out here in Florida. Beautiful morning, barely morning. It's about 80 degrees. Sorry guys, it's beautiful here. So hope you guys on the trail are doing all right. Wanted to show you a little hack that the guys at Neil Gap Mountain Crossing showed me. And I've already done this, but as you can tell, I've taken and put some sealant. This is the sealant I use, and you need to get the type of sealant for your tent that's specific for your tent, whatever kind of material. But this is what I used, and as you can see, I've already used it up. I wish I'd have gotten 2 of them. He said one, and it does say that it does for 1 person. I think it was $6.99. But anyway, you get this and the little applicator if you're going to be doing the seams. I didn't do the seams. What I did was, they told me that if Charlotte and I, the first time we spent the night in the tent, we were new, of course, setting up. We made sure there was nothing overhead. We made sure that would kill us, you know. We made sure we didn't have a lot of rocks on the ground. We made sure that we didn't have any roots or anything like that. So everything was pretty flat, we thought, until we got into the shelter. And during, all of a sudden we're sliding down and to the left. So I'm over to the left, so she's sliding into me slowly. And so I asked the guys at Neil's Gap, hey, what can you do about that? They said take sealant like this and just put it on the bottom of your tent, inside the bottom of your tent, and that would keep your mattress from sliding so bad. So I hope I've got enough in there. You need to do it. The reason I've waited so long is because the weather hasn't been great, but you need to do it 60 degrees above, and it does smell really bad, so be careful with that. Do it in an open area or in a garage or somewhere where you can get some ventilation temporarily, because it does smell bad. But let me show you what I've done. And I don't know if you can see it, but you might see the glistening on the tent from the sun. Of course, the sun's going to go in a little bit. But I have just taken and he said put it in all different directions and everywhere you could put it. I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying to get closer to show you. But just put it in all different directions and everywhere you can get it. And if you want to get, this was for a 2-man tent. I really think I would have liked a little more, but I guess sometimes more is not necessarily better. But anyway, that's my hack for the tent to keep you, hopefully me and Charlotte from sliding into each other. And the next thing I want to do is give a shout out to all the guys that are and girls that are on the trail. Grumpy, you go, guy. Gucci Girl's got your back, and she's pulling for you. We're all pulling for you. You're going to do great. We're all going to do great. Sometimes it's better to start off slow. We're going to start off really slow. So you go. You're doing good. Probation termination. PT is on the trail. He's doing great. Having a good time. Getting some good meals along the way, or trail blessings. Sleeves is on there. He's hanging in there, doing really good. Not hanging, but he's doing good. Of course, Scoutmaster's busting it. I mean, he's doing really good. So you go, Scoutmaster. He's got a lot of people pulling for him too. We're all pulling for all you guys. Greg P's on there. I think he's got a new name now, and I'm not sure what that is, but go Greg with your, I'll have to find out what your new trail name is. I can't remember it. I know you put it out, somebody yelled it out, but Night Train. Oboe, I think, was having a little trouble with your feet. I hope your feet are better. Blackbeard is a new guy that's along with Greg P. and Night Train and Oboe, and they seem to be having a really good time and doing great. They're hiking. They're just doing their thing. Arnie is out there. Take care. G, be safe going back to Kentucky. Good luck with doctor's appointments. Underdog just left, I think, a few days ago, so he's out there. Of course, G-Boat's out there and a group with him, and Legends of the Teardrops out there. He came in with Grumpy and Gucci Girl down from the north. Amanda Bass is out there. You go, girl. Ringo is out there also. I hope he's continuing to do good. I haven't heard a whole lot from some of these people, but anyway, we're going to be starting, I guess, about 8 days from now. No, 9 days from now. Wednesday week, not this week, but next Wednesday on the 28th. So we're looking forward to that, and we'll see you down there. Hope to meet all of you guys. Coming behind me will be, people like Soaring Eagle. Of course, Bearded Servant is coming behind me on March the 3rd. Give a shout out to him. He's a great guy. He and I had a great telephone talk, and he gave me a shout out on his channel, and got a lot of subscribers from that, and I really appreciate that, Bearded Servant. He's already doing good too, and thank you for all your good attitude and fun personality. I enjoy your videos, and I enjoy you. Also, Joyful Rambler, great. She did a great thing and went ahead and has done her first state, Georgia. Yay! That's my state anyway. So I live in Florida, but I'm from Georgia, and so go. So hopefully we'll meet up with her. She may be ahead of us. We're going to take it slow, and she's starting, I think, April 1st. So good luck to them. Good luck to all of you that are out there. A big thanks to Early Riser. He gave a good thing on food the other night, and I appreciate that, because I've been thinking about the food and wanting to eat it good, but it looks like he's right. We're going to probably want anything and everything and all the bad stuff, so we just have to embrace that and go with it and enjoy it. But thanks for all your help, Early Riser, with all the introducing us all to and getting us all together. Feel like the class of 2018 is going to be just a monumental class, whatever that word is. Shout out to Charlotte. Charlotte's feeling better, so great. We're gonna rock it. So we'll see you later on. Just wanted to say hey and give you this little hack that I heard from the guys at Mountain Crossing. Thank you. Everybody have a good day. Stay safe on the trail, guys. Bye.